Hey everybody, I'm back with another video of the new Ryobi 1 Plus HP Brushless Dual Roller Vacuum, Cyclonic Vacuum. So, a few people have asked, can it pick up a Cheerio? So, some Cheerios on my clean hardwood, and we'll see if the vacuum can pick it up. This is what the entrance looks like here. So, let's see what it looks like. Just for reference, I'm going to keep the brushes on and keep the roller on, keep the brushes on, and I'm going to keep the vacuum on high. So I would say that is a resounding yes. There are a whole bunch of Cheerios in there. So yes, it can pick up a Cheerio.